Here I'm asked to solve this function here, and what I'm really looking for are the zeros. So what x values make this equation equal to 0, or the roots. To start off, I'm going to find the possible rational roots by using the rational root theorem. I know that that means that it's all of the factors of our constant over all of the factors of our leading coefficient here, which is just 1. So my possible rational roots are just positive or negative 1, 2, 4, and 8. So those give me a little bit of guidance of what I'm going to start plugging into my equation. So I'm going to use synthetic substitution here to help me make this a little bit quicker, or synthetic division, since I'm going to technically factor this. So when I bring down this 1 here, 1 times 1, add these together, multiply, add, multiply, and hey, look at that. Means that x minus 1 is a factor of this original equation, and that 1 is a 0. So what that's going to look like when I factor that out, x minus 1, and then this here gives me what's left over. So I have x squared plus 0x minus 8. Now I could keep going and try plugging these numbers in, but I actually know by looking at this that none of those numbers are going to work because these are all the rational roots, and I'm actually going to get two irrational roots from here. So what I mean by that is if I were to solve both of these sides, when is this equal to 0, it's when x is 1. Then x squared minus 8, I add 8 to both sides. I get x squared equals 8. I take the square root of both sides. So x equals positive or negative square root of 8. Now I'm going to simplify this square root here. So my final answers, is x equals plus or minus 2 root 2. And so when I look at my answers here, I see that x is equal to 1, so that's one of my solutions. X equals positive 2 root 2, and x equals negative 2 root 2. And when I look back at my original problem, since I have a degree of 3, getting 3 answers makes sense.